Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite mole with only just a few ingredients. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by adding 4 quarts of water to our pot, along with salt, 2 bay leaves, a head of garlic, and a half an onion. We're going to set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Alrighty guys, so once our water comes to a boil, we're going to add 5 pounds of chicken. Add it all in there and allow it to come to a second boil. Okay, at the second boil, we're going to be skimming all of the impurities from the chicken. Okay, and once we have removed that, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Okay, now cover the pot and allow that chicken to cook for about 30 minutes or until it's fully nice and tender. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Okay, now here we're going to remove our chicken. You can also remove the onion, garlic, and bay leaves. We no longer need it. And now as for the broth, we're going to need it to make our sauce. So carefully strain it and just make sure that it's 2 quarts of broth. Alright, now to our broth, we're going to be adding our Mexican chocolate, and we're just going to leave it there and allow it to dissolve while we fry the rest of our ingredients for our sauce. Okay, now to my pan over medium heat, we're going to be heating up a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our piece of onion and just make sure to break it down. We're just going to give it a couple minutes or just until it begins to soften. Once the onion has softened, transfer it to the broth. Now add your tomato, cut it in half, facing down. I'm going to give it 1 minute per side or until it's completely softened. Okay, when the tomato has softened, transfer it to the broth. Add a little bit more oil. And now we're going to begin to fry our chiles. For the chiles, make sure that you clean them with a wet paper towel so like that they're not wet. So here we're going to begin with the chile ancho. It only takes a couple seconds. Make sure not to burn them. Otherwise, it's going to make your mole sauce very bitter. Once that's done, transfer it to the broth. And like that, we repeat the process with our New Mexico chiles. And just add oil as needed. And you just transfer them to the broth as well. Okay, and lastly, we're going to fry our crackers. And this is just to thicken up the sauce. You can also use bread or a tortilla. But again, make sure not to burn them. So once they're like this, they're done. And just like that, once we have all of our ingredients, we can get ready to make our sauce. All right, now to our blender cup, we're going to carefully transfer everything that we fried along with the broth. Along with that, we're going to add our Doña Maria mole paste. And this is optional. If you don't want to add it, you don't have to, since everything that we're blending, it already has almost the same ingredients. But this is just to enhance it. Along with that, 3 garlic cloves, our 4 allspice berries, piece of cinnamon, and cumin seeds. Now we're going to cover it, remove the top of your lid, place a kitchen towel, and we're going to be blending until smooth. Okay, and just like that, we have our sauce. Now I'm just going to set it to the side so like that I could shred my chicken. Alrighty guys, and now that we have our chicken, we can get ready to put it all together. Turn it to our pot, make sure to dry it out. Set it over medium heat and just allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add our sauce. Here, we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Make sure to continuously mix it. Alright, once our sauce has come to a simmer, you're going to notice that it has thickened up. Now here you want to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And also if your mole is a little bit on the spicier side, you can always add some more hot chocolate. And here we're going to get ready to add our chicken. I just mix it in with the sauce. And we're just going to allow it to continue cooking for another 10 minutes. Make sure that you're mixing it so like that it doesn't burn. Alright guys, and after 10 minutes, our delicious mole is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that making mole doesn't take all day and you don't need over 30 ingredients. This is honestly super easy to make. It's so delicious. I promise you, your family and you are going to love it. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This right here forever will be your favorite. So good. Honestly, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious mole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.